there. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to unattend installation of Windows 7, Windows XP and Server 2008. So it will be a post unattend installation, a post Windows Vista unattend installation, because the whole method of operating system is changed now after Windows Vista. And our two important files is a main file to install Windows operating system. It will be install.vim or boot.vim. So install.vim is the required file if you want to unattend installation. I will show how to get the two files. It goes to CD sources, and at sources you find install.vim, and you will also find boot.vim. So you also require Microsoft Windows IT, which is easily available on Microsoft's website. Now here you need a Windows System Image Manager, which is very required software. When you goes to Windows System Image Manager, what you need to do here, you need to create an answer file. Actually, it's just a tool. First, we need to create a catalog image, and we need to give a path for where install.vim is required. So look at that, 32-bit or 64-bit. So I want to create a 32-bit operating system. Yes, it will take time. We will back afterwards, after some time. So after the whole catalog of images created, now you will see the components, and when you click on it, you will see the whole queues of operating system. This is actually a hierarchies of operating system, and through the hierarchy you will able to create the answer file. But it's recommended that you open the documentation of AIK. First, you need to see step-by-step basic Windows deployment image file. We see the whole help is available where your need is, where the file will find from, where the file is actually located. We see the whole answer file will be good for step-by-step installation. Is a good help just to create a new answer file, and you will also show whatever you need is, whatever your requirements. You will just fill it. Goes to properties where your requirement is, whatever you need is. So like goes to edit settings on it base system, and it will be shows the whole functionality and whatever your requirements is, whatever you need is. So it will be like right click, and where you put that settings and whatever your functionality is. You actually, this Windows System Image Manager is help you to create an answer file where your requirement is, where you want to save your settings. So it will be a great help if you goes through step by step where your requirement is, where you want is, whatever you want to do. Great help. Just be go through it, and accordingly you can also modify your requirements, and whatever you want it to do, you can modify it, and through that you will be able to create your own operating system. So it will be generalized operating system. It it actually is not. We can go to obey out of box experience, which is a very important feature of server. Also goes to visual effects, whatever you want to put the feature on, where you want. So that will be great help. Alright, I'm doing here. So you must require a Windows System Image Manager. Through it you will be able to create your own. Right click and just implement the options. This is your work. Is look, it is through the properties. You want to change the properties. So whatever your need is, whatever the requirement is, you can go through it. Local pack, and it's just not that much. It's not that popular like the earlier original operating system. You find Unattended installation once, because if you're creating scripts, it will not that helpful. So creating scripts is always be, you don't even know what the options is, so it's not the famous one. It's better you install it, or it's better you get the pre-settings, pre-scripts available on downloads, because if you want to create a script, many of the option you don't even know what it is. So like Bluetooth taskbar, you want to enable, you need Bluetooth. So some of the features really don't even knows, not popular. You want to create an image, so it's better that you download the script, and accordingly you will find the answer file. But like later version of answer files created through it, and if you're done with just renew and we create the answer file, whatever name you want. But XML, this is the extension you must need to give. XML must need to give, because this file is created on XML. Now what you need is, you can go through help, and whatever your requirement is, whatever you want is, you can create according to it. You can go through more help. I think help will help you step by step. Based Windows deployment help will actually help you. Otherwise it will be very frustrating if sometimes you go to create. Now when you just open it, this XML file will show this. Not do lots of it, and I'm not actually created options. But what you need to do, you need third-party software again, and you need to burn these two files, install of them and the answer file together. And once you burn these two files together, whenever you create a bootable pen drive or CD, DVD, you will be able to work accordingly. Whatever your options, whatever your answer is, it will work according to it. So you need third-party software